Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to add a loading screen to your Roblox game. So in order to add a loading screen to our game, firstly we'll go to Roblox Studio. Then in the toolbox section, we'll search for loading screen. Then hit enter. Now different types of loading screen templates will come in here. You can choose any one of them. So I'll choose this one. I'll click on OK. Now a GUI will come into our workspace. We'll just cut it and paste it into starter GUI. After that, we can edit this template as we see fit. So by going here, we can select the loading screen, and in here we can change the tips section. Just double click on it. Here you can add different types of tips before your game has been loaded. In order to do that, just change the text in quote unquote. Then while loading, the new tip will show up. You can also change the title. I'll add here a loading. Now if we test out the game, we'll see our changes in action. So you can see that the top text has been changed to loading and the tip has been changed to subscribe. So you can customize it however you see fit and add whatever you want. Now let the game load. Now the game has loaded. So that's how you can add loading screen GUI in your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.